Look what finally showed up. My Hubsan Zino. It says Zino A on it, but we'll go ahead and open it up and see what we have inside. Alright, so we're just going to get right to it and open it up. Not a sharp knife, I guess. So I've been waiting on this for a while. I was order number 13 on Indiegogo or whatever it is. And my other order was like number 200 and something, but I got them both today. So inside this box is the Zino. And you can see the date of the video, and it shows what date that I got it. That's pretty much it. Again, it came in a, let's see if I can show you that again. It says Zino A. And that's the new model coming out. This 1080p. Alright, so we'll go ahead and open it. There's no sticker or anything here to show that it wasn't tampered with. Turn it the right way. Let's see. Oh, there's the stickers right there. Cut those. There's one over here. Okay, so inside, top box, remote control. We'll go over that in a second. Spare parts. Let's see what's in this. Screwdriver, extra propellers, your charger, phone cables. Dump all them out. I did get a US plug, so that's good. And then last but not least, the Zino. So that's pretty much it. Feels a little heavy compared to the Parrot and Offie that I've been flying. Let's see how this folds out. Let's move the box out of the way. Put it down. Okay, so these come off. I'm gonna break them. And then we'll take them. The colors just fold out, and then they lock into place. And that's it for opening it. No scuffs. Looks good. Here's the gimbal guard. Pretty nice gimbal guard. And there is your 4K camera. And it has a little protector on it, little red protector. So we'll take that off. So this is just an unboxing to show everybody if you live in the US. I live in Virginia, and I did get my orders. It doesn't seem like it's based off of order number, because two of my orders, one was 13 and one was, like I said, I think it might have been 190 something or 200, close to there. So they weren't in order. I think it's just pretty much where you're at. So that's it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, and go ahead and turn on notifications, because tomorrow I'm going to get it in the air. We're going to do some flight tests. We're going to test out the flight modes, and at the end we'll do a pros and cons video and let you know what I think, if you should buy it or not. All right, so we'll see you tomorrow, and we'll get this thing in the air.